Hi, I'm Mick Hannah. We're in Maribor, Slovenia, World Cup round number 1. I've got the Kenda Hellcats. The front is a 29-inch AGC casing with 27 PSI. The rear is a 27.5-inch AGC casing with 28 PSI.
Hi, I'm Jamie, Tracy Hannah's mechanic here at the Polygon UR team. This weekend you've chosen to use the Kenda Hellcat tyres front and rear with the AGC, which is the advanced gravity casing, and we're running 23 and 24 PSI.
How's it going, guys? My name's John Hall. I'm with Intense Factory Racing, wrenching for Aaron Gwynn, and we're running the Kenda Hellcats. They're 29 by 2.4. For tire pressure, it's all over the place. We're in the front, we're anywhere from 26 to 28, the rear somewhere just over 30 PSI. We just started regular pressures the first few runs, let the riders concentrate on their lines, and then they start to dial in their tire pressures as the speed increases.